My name is Shailee Gala and I did my graduation from Dwarkadas J. Sangvi College of Engineering. I did my Masters in Electronics and Telecommunication in 2022, after which I got placed into Samsung India Electronics Limited. I've been working over there from last 1.5 years, more than that, and I joined the weekend session of the IMS Andheri classroom session. So balancing my workload along with the CAT preparation was very difficult for me initially, but my mentors helped me through it. They asked me to remain consistent. So my advice to each one of you is whatever homework or whatever topic is done in that particular session, completed in that particular weekend itself. Apart from that, my mentors always promoted me to do the mock. So I gave around 15 mocks for SimCAT mocks, and for NMAT, ZAT and for SNAP, I almost attempted all the mock from the IMS portal. So they have the video solutions which give you a detailed analysis of in case any question goes right, and detailed explanation to all the answers, which helped me a lot. For all the questions that I was facing difficulty, there was an AI generated tool which gave me similar questions of that particular topic, which helped me improve on that particular topic. So my advice to all of you is give as many mocks as you can. Even if you are scoring low, just be consistent with your work and be very calm and confident on the day of examination. Thank you.